Hi YouTube, welcome to another video, and today's video we're going to install the anti-roll bar bushes.
お前はもう死んでいる。
Hi YouTube, so yeah, as I said in the intro, we're gonna install the anti-roll bar bushes. Again, this is part of the set that Danny from Dino Days sent it to us. So this will be one of 4 installation videos. This is probably the easiest set to install. It comes with literally 2 bushes and just the normal silicone grease. I've watched the Type R Twigs tutorial video, and it seems to be really easy to remove the brackets and install the new bushes, but fingers crossed everything goes to the plan. So yeah, just let's jump to the video. Right guys, so here we have so this is the bracket that we're gonna have to remove. As per Type R Twigs video, we're gonna have to remove these 3 bolts, which are 40 mil. They are 40 mil, and once we release this bracket off, we'll be able to remove the bush that is here, and we're gonna give these brackets some cleaning as well. You might need a breaker bar for this job if you don't have an impact gun. There we go. That's one done. That's 2 done. That's 3 done. Having a brake bar, in my opinion, is a must. It saves you for so many stuff, especially with some bolts that have been in the car for years and years, so you can't actually expect them to just come easily. Plus, obviously, they are torqued to the manufacturer's specification, so there we go. That's the second one. We just need to slide the bush out and basically repeat the process for the other one. So let's do it. There we go. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And that's our bush. There you go. Not too bad, to be honest. No cracks whatsoever. So yeah, well, again, all this good to replace this. I mean, they've been in the car for 12 years, so yeah, so we just need to repeat the process for the next one. Right guys, so here we got our brackets. We're gonna give them a good clean. They are not too bad, to be honest. They are not heavily corroded or anything, so we're just gonna give it a good clean and maybe just a quick lick of paint maybe. What I found interesting is, and I'm pretty sure this is the order that the bolts came out, is one of the bolts for some reason is longer than the other ones, and this doesn't actually apply to this side. So I wonder if it's because this one is on the gearbox side and there's another mount that it needs to go through, so I'll double check that. But yeah, so what we can do is the magic of YouTube. So let's get these ones refurbed. There we go. So as you can see, I gave the brackets a bit of lick of paint just to not look too bad. I've just lightly sanded to make sure that the paint was grabbing the metal, to be honest. But yeah, so we are ready to go. Right guys, so it's time to put some grease on the bushing itself. I'm gonna put some inside and on the top as well, because I've noticed the top one had a bit. So literally just gonna put a smear here. There we go. And now a bit more inside. Don't you start, you perverts. There we go. We can wipe the excess if we need to. Right, so now what we need to do is to literally put it like this. Oh. Okay, there we go. Now, there's no way you can mess this up. There's a R, as you can see, for right hand side, and the other way to tell is obviously you won't be able to fit the other bracket because there's a hole here, as you can see. So this goes this way. So for some reason, as I mentioned previously, this long bolt goes here. I don't know why, because it looks like exactly the same on the other side. So if anyone knows why this bolt is longer than the other ones, please give me a shout. One of the last ones to go. Right, that's the second one fitted. This one gave me a bit more trouble. Don't know why, but it was a bit awkward to fit this one. But we got there in the end. So yeah, so that's the job done. Really pleased with the end results, and I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna feel it whilst driving the car. So that's 1 of 4 done. Good job. And that's it. And that's it guys, that's today's video sorted. Yeah, really easy to install this. Yeah, I'll say that this is a probably 15 minutes job. Obviously I spent much more time because I was trying to clean everything up and do a bit of restoration to the brackets, so to speak. But yeah, really pleased how it went. If you guys want to get one of these sets, I'll just gonna leave a link on the descriptions that will take you to Dino Days website, straight to these bushes. If you're looking for a special deal like mine, please contact Danny from Dino Days, and I'm pretty sure that he will sort you out with something. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about these bushes. Until the next video, stay safe guys. Bye.